Hey, what's up guys? Just doing this quick update video on MaticStaker. It is going pretty well, so stay connected. Hi and welcome back on another video about MaticStaker, Matic printer, which as I call it. So it's doing pretty well. If you go to the contract, balance is almost $1 million, and the total invested, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's a lot, guys. And people are going into locked plans here, so that's very good for the contract. It pays a lot, but you will have to wait 14 days in order to get your initial deposit back and your 138 percent profit for now, because this thing is growing 0.5% each day. So the new people that are coming in have better percentage than the people that were coming in first. So it's like more fair than usually it is in this type of dapps. Okay, so if you go to the token airdrop, and then you'll see the rules change. So this will be the official token of the MaticStaker platform. It is designed to be deflationary, sustainable, and with high rewards for participants of the platform through a tax participation loyalty system. 50% of MSK tokens will be airdropped to users who have staked in the locked plans. Okay, so snapshot of the addresses will be taken before the 5th of April. So you still have time to go and locked plans until the 5th of April to be included in the airdrop. So the silver plan addresses staked on this plan will receive MSK tokens in ratio 10:1. This would be mean in the total deposit Matic token. The token address of this plan is 100 before the snapshot. The address will receive 10 MSK tokens. So yeah, if you deposit 100, you'll receive 10 tokens. In the gold plan, 20 tokens, and in the platinum tokens, it will be ratio 1:1. So for each Matic staked, it will be 1 MSK token. Designed for long-time investment, and you'll earn a fixed 2% daily of your investment for the rest of your life. So this token will be like a corresponding dapp, so to say. You will earn just by holding it. That's how I understand it. So yeah, a lot of people are getting ready, so going into this plan. So we can still do that, but you won't receive daily earnings here. If you want to receive daily earnings, you will have to choose between 3 of these plans. Okay, and then you want to be eligible for an airdrop. So that's your decision. Remember, this is not financial advice, guys. So I went with this one. So it was 6.5%, I guess. It's like 2 days. So yeah, it's more now. Now you can get 60% profit on this one. So first you will ROI, and let's see, ROI in 16 days. So if you put 100 Matic, you will get 59 Matic after the period is over. This is for 21 days. So after the plan is finished, you won't be earning anymore. Okay, so that's how it works. You're getting daily earnings. You can withdraw anytime. You will accumulate here. Here you'll see your referrals. If you're like, I know, recommending, showing this to your friends. Well, a few people joined. Yeah, so pretty nice. They have a haze audit, so you can check that out. I not like this, obviously. So you can click here and you'll go to the haze website, and you can download the audit. You can read the audit, and yeah, that's good, because we are sure that this thing is audited and it's fair and it's safe. you can also always, if the website goes down, you can go to the smart contract and use the commands there from BST scan. So that's how it works, you know, it's decentralized. So yeah, until there's a balance here, it will pay. And with the tokens, I guess this can be pretty successful, especially if you go in the first days, because that's in this type of system, my recommendation is to go early. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video and see you soon on another video.